There are moms worse than you in the animal kingdom. Foxy, if you are a mother, you have probably experienced the mental what it games on repeat since you found out to where become a parent. What it my kid never learns to read what it say. Like another parents better what if their food is not organic or a pick the wrong school worrying that you are going to follow normal and you will make mistakes but when put into a perspective now there are moms but worse than your first comedy writer Glenn Boozan in her new book. There are moms way worse than you Irrefutable proof that you are indeed a fantastic parent. It was illustrated by Priscilla Witte.Those questionable mothers include durable ads that suck their offspring. Glenn Boozan wrote and slum petals which lay their eggs on their base are decomposing smoughs and raise the youngsters by refilling them from the corpse. The instructions of Boozan's books came from the shock in learning of their sister's fear and occult about being a bad mom. Since her sister's the best mom in the world, she said her kids are perfect angels and I am obsessed with them. As a comedy writer, Boozan said,